Ever feel overwhelmed by the endless stream of AI coding tools, each one promising to revolutionize your workflow? You're not alone. I spent an entire month, from September 1st to 28th, 2025, diving deep into 5 of the most hyped AI coding CLIs. With $2,847 on the line, I tracked every bug fix, every moment of frustration, and every breakthrough. The truth? The most expensive tool isn't always the best, and the cheapest might end up costing you more in the long run. In this video, I'll walk you through what actually works, what doesn't, and the real lessons nobody tells you about AI coding CLIs. Before discovering AI coding CLIs, my coding routine was a cycle of copying, pasting, debugging, and, honestly, a bit of crying. Like many developers, I relied heavily on ChatGPT for code generation, but it always felt like something was missing. Enter AI coding CLIs tools that live right in your terminal, editing files directly, and understanding your entire code base. It's like having a tireless senior developer by your side. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? That's where my month-long experiment began. For this experiment, I selected 5 popular AI coding CLIs: Cursor CLI, Codex CLI, Claude Code, OpenCode, and AmpCode. Each tool brought something unique to the table, from beginner-friendly interfaces to advanced debugging features. Over 30 days, I put each one through its paces, tracking not just performance, but also how they impacted my workflow, productivity, and sanity. Let's break down what I found, starting with Cursor CLI. Cursor CLI is the perfect starting point if you're already a Cursor subscriber. Installation is a breeze, just 2 minutes, and you're up and running. It's great for beginners who might be intimidated by terminals. However, its features feel a bit dated, and it quickly eats through your usage limits. There's no special magic here, just basic AI code completion. If you're already paying for Cursor, it's worth a try, but don't expect it to perform miracles. Codex CLI from OpenAI is free if you have ChatGPT Plus. It boasts access to the powerful GPT-5 Codex model, but using it can feel awkward, like driving a Ferrari with bicycle pedals. One standout feature is the Divided by Limits command, which shows your remaining tokens and prevents you from hitting limits mid-project. Updates roll out weekly, showing the team's commitment. Still, it feels like a younger sibling to more advanced tools, especially when compared to Claude Code. Claude Code truly changed the way I code. Its output styles feature lets you choose between just writing code, explaining changes, or leaving Todo comments for you to complete, like having a pair programming partner. The learning mode, in particular, helped me understand complex systems by leaving helpful hints and comments. Another standout is its sub-agents, specialized helpers that handle debugging, code reviews, and more, all without cluttering your main conversation. At $25 divided by month, it's a serious investment, but for me, it was worth every penny. OpenCode stands out for its flexibility. Supporting over 75 AI models, it works with everything from Claude to GitHub, Copilot, and even the latest experimental models. Its killer features include instant undo divided by redo commands and the ability to share conversations with teammates. The terminal UI is sleek and user-friendly, making late-night coding sessions a bit more pleasant. Costs vary depending on your API keys, but I spent about $30.50 per month mixing different models. It's the tool for those who want maximum versatility. AmpCode is the Lamborghini of AI coding CLIs, blazing fast, incredibly powerful, and, unfortunately, very expensive. It solved a distributed queue problem in minutes that stumped other tools for hours. The secret seems to be in its advanced prompting and context handling. You can even attach OpenAI's O3 model as an oracle for mission-critical tasks. But be warned, I spent $400 in a single week. For complex, high-stakes problems, it's worth it, but use it sparingly. After a month of testing, I crunched the numbers. My daily driver became Claude Code via OpenCode, costing $25 per month for Claude and nothing extra for OpenCode. For the tough problems, I bought $50 credits for AmpCode when needed. My total monthly spend averaged $75, but the time savings were massive, 15 to 20 hours per month. With an hourly rate of $150, the return on investment was over 20%. The right tool pays for itself many times over. The best AI coding CLI for you depends on what you're already paying for. If you have ChatGPT Plus, start with Codex CLI. Cursor subscribers should try Cursor CLI. If you're using GitHub Copilot, OpenCode is a great fit. For those starting fresh, Claude Code is my top recommendation. And if you want the absolute best and don't mind the price, AmpCode is unbeatable. Just set a spending limit. The key is to match the tool to your needs and budget. Here's the real secret. AI coding CLIs aren't magic. They won't instantly turn you into a 10x developer. But what they do offer is invaluable. They handle the repetitive, boring tasks, freeing you up to focus on the interesting, challenging problems. Last month, I shipped 3 major features in the time it would have taken me to finish one without these tools. The time savings are real, and the impact on productivity is undeniable. If you're new to AI coding CLIs, don't feel pressured to try everything at once. Start with one tool that fits your current setup and learn it well. As you get comfortable, you can expand to more advanced options or mix and match based on your needs. The most important thing is to build a workflow that saves you time and reduces frustration. Your code and your sanity will thank you. After 30 days and nearly $3,000 spent, my biggest takeaway is this. The right AI coding CLI can dramatically boost your productivity, but only if you choose the one that fits your workflow and budget. Don't chase the most expensive or hyped tool. Focus on what actually helps you code better and faster. With the right setup, you'll save time, reduce stress, and ship more features than ever before. AI coding CLIs are transforming the way developers work, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. The best results come from understanding your own needs and experimenting with different tools until you find the perfect fit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's an AI CLI out there that can make your coding life easier. Start small, stay curious, and keep optimizing your workflow. The world of AI coding CLIs is evolving fast, and there's never been a better time to explore what these tools can do for you. Whether you're looking to save time, tackle complex problems, or simply make coding more enjoyable, there's a solution out there. Take the first step, experiment, and watch your productivity soar. Your future self and your code base will thank you.